Hello crypto ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today we're mastering long-term crypto investing, think 3 to 10 plus years, not overnight riches. This is how you stack sats and build real wealth while the world sleeps on blockchain. First, time frame, commit to at least 3 to 5 years minimum, ideally through one full market cycle, bull to bear and back. Bitcoin's having every 4 years as your clock. Past cycles show 10x 100x gains for patient holders. What to buy? Stick to Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. BTC is digital gold, scarce, secure, institutional grade. ETH powers DeFi and NFTs with real utility. Allocate 70% BTC, 30% ETH. Dollar cost average weekly, no timing the market. Charts to watch, use TradingView. Focus on. For a strategic market overview, analyze weekly candlesticks to identify the primary trend and monitor Bitcoin's 200-week moving average, a historically resilient support level. Additionally, the BTC dominance chart helps signal potential altcoin seasons, while a log-scale view provides proper perspective on long-term growth cycles. Advantages of investing in crypto. Crypto investing offers unique advantages, operating on a 24/7 global market accessible to anyone. It is often sought as a potential hedge against inflation and carries the possibility of exponential 100x returns, creating significant opportunities for investors. Disadvantages of investing in crypto. Crypto investment carries substantial risks, including extreme volatility with potential for devastating 80% plus losses and significant regulatory uncertainty. Investors also face the persistent threats of exchange hacks, platform failures, and the intense emotional stress that accompanies such a turbulent market. Realistic gains. Historically, BTC averages 200% annualized over 4-year cycles. A $100 weekly investment since 2015? Over $500,000 today. Expect 10x if 50x portfolio growth per cycle if you HODL through the pain. Crypto coins to avoid. Avoid meme coins like Doge or SHIB, which typically have zero utility, and be highly skeptical of new DeFi 2.0 projects where the vast majority are rug pulls. Immediately dismiss anything offering a guaranteed 1000% APY and ignore so-called low-cap hidden gems promoted on platforms like TikTok, as these are almost always designed for manipulation rather than investment. Set it, forget it, check quarterly. Your future self will thank you. Smash that subscribe, drop a thumbs up, and turn on notifications. We drop bangers weekly. See you in the next video.